Ever wondered how to master the bustling streets of New York City and reach your destination like a true local, without getting stuck in traffic? Navigating the New York City subway for the first time is actually quite straightforward, and it is truly the best way to explore the city efficiently and immerse yourself in the urban rhythm. The subway system is incredibly extensive, running 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, making it faster than taxis and more reliable than buses for covering long distances across the 5 boroughs. First, you will need a way to pay your fare. You can purchase a MetroCard at any station from a vending machine, which is a reusable plastic card that you can load with money or an unlimited ride pass. Alternatively, and increasingly popular, you can simply tap your contactless credit card, debit card, or smart device directly on the OMNY reader at the turnstile, which stands for One Metro New York. Once you have your payment method, look for the station entrance, often marked with green or red globes above the stairway. Inside, pass through the turnstile and find the subway map, which is your best friend. Locate your current station and your destination. Pay close attention to the train line and its direction, as most platforms clearly indicate whether trains are going uptown, meaning north, or downtown, meaning south, or to specific boroughs like Queens or Brooklyn. When your train arrives, notice the number or letter on the front of the train and listen for announcements to confirm it is the correct line. Board calmly and move towards the center of the car to allow others to enter. As you approach your stop, listen for station announcements and look at the signs inside the train or on the platform. A helpful insider tip is to always check for service changes or delays before you leave, especially on weekends, using the MTA website or a reliable third-party app like CityMapper. Remember that some lines have express trains that skip local stops, so always confirm you are on the right type of train for your journey. By understanding these simple steps and keeping an eye on the signs and announcements, you will quickly gain confidence in using the New York City subway, opening up endless possibilities for exploring every corner of this amazing city with ease.